In this video, I'll show you how to create a wavy distortion scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a ripple-like wave distortion between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, fluid, and dreamlike. It works great for music videos, underwater shots, nature content, and cinematic edits. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for wave, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Angle controls the direction of the wave movement. Change the value to make the wave move horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Amplitude controls how strong the wave distortion is. Increase the value for stronger ripples, decrease it for subtle distortion. Length controls the width of each wave ripple. Increase it for wider waves, decrease it for tighter ripples. Colorize controls how much color tint is added to the wave. Increase it for a more stylized look. Decrease it for a natural transition. Motion blur controls how smooth the wave animation looks. Increase it for a softer cinematic effect. Decrease it for sharper ripples. Use a shorter duration for a quick ripple effect. Use a longer duration for a smoother flowing wave transition. For best results, pair this transition with ambient or cinematic audio. And that's it. That's how you create a wavy distortion scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.